Hi friends, Mehjabin here. Today on Class Remotely, we take a quick look at 180 examples of collective nouns. So let's get started. An album of stamps, a bale of cotton, a bale of wool, a basket of fruit, a batch of bread, a battery of guns, a block of flats, a book of exercises, a book of notes, a bouquet of flowers or a garland of flowers, a bunch of bananas or a comb of bananas or a hand of bananas, a bunch of flowers, a bunch of grapes, a bunch of keys, a bundle of rags, a bundle of firewood, a bundle of hay, a catalogue of prices, a chain of events, a chest of drawers, a clump of bushes or a hedge of bushes, a clump of trees or a grove of trees, a cluster of coconuts, a cluster of diamonds, a cluster of grapes, a cluster of stars, or a constellation of stars, or a galaxy of stars, a clutch of eggs, a collection of coins, a collection of curiosities, a collection of pictures, a collection of stamps, a column of smoke, a layer of soil, a compendium of games, a crate of fruit, a crop of apples, a fall of rain, a fall of snow, a fleet of motors, a fleet of taxis, a fleet of ships, a flight of airplanes, a flight of steps, a hail of bullets, a harvest of wheat, a heap of rubbish, a heap of ruins or a mass of ruins, a heap of stones, a library of books, a line of cars, a list of names, a necklace of pearls, an outfit of clothes, an orchard of fruit trees, a pack of cards, a pack of lies, a packet of cigarettes, a packet of letters, a pair of shoes, a pencil of rays, a quiver of arrows, a range of hills, a range of mountains, a glossary of words, a group of islands, a harvest of wheat, a flight of swallows, a crowd of starlings, a clutter of spiders, a pandemonium of parrots, a parliament of owls, a family of otters, a flock of ostriches, a watch of nightingales, a baron of mules, a troop of monkeys, a labor of moles, a nest of mice, a stud of mares, a pride of lions, or a troop of lions, a tiding of magpies, a leap of leopards, a bevy of larks, a litter of kittens, a building of rooks, a bevy of roe deer, a crash of rhinoceros, a colony of rats, a string of racehorses, a nursery of raccoons, a nest of rabbits, a drift of quail, a litter of pigs, a farrow of piglets, a kit of pigeons, a rookery of penguins, a herd of kangaroos, a flight of insects, a herd of asses, an army of ants, a herd of wrens, a descent of woodpeckers, a school of dolphins, a school of fish, or a shoal of fish, a kennel of dogs, caterpillars, a nest of snakes, a rookery of seals, a yoke of oxen, a gaggle of geese, a swarm of bees, a parade of elephants, a can of soda, a set of books, a cup of tea, a quiver of arrows, a ream of paper, a reel of film, a set of clubs, a sheaf of grain, a shower of rain, a stack of wood, a string of pearls, a flight of birds, a crowd of people, an anthology of poems, a horde of savages, a host of angels, a gang of thieves, a bench of magistrates, a crew of sailors, a collection of coins, a bundle of prices, a chest of drawers, a pack of wolves, a plague of locusts, a party of friends, a patrol of policemen or a posse of policemen, a regiment of soldiers or a squad of soldiers, a staff of employees, a team of players, a tribe of natives, a troop of scouts, a caravan of gypsies, a choir of singers, a class of students, a thought of barons, a colony of badgers, a stud of horses or a string of horses, a sprig of vegetarians, a squeal of nieces, a posse of sheriffs, a harvest of wheat, a sneer of butlers, a slouch of models, a slate of candidates, a company of actors, a fleet of ships, a caravan of gypsies, a bunch of crooks, a crowd of spectators, a troupe of dancers, a panel of experts, a board of directors, a flock of tourists, a murder of crows, a haul of fish or a catch of fish, an audience of listeners, a bowl of rice, a team of ducks, a wad of notes, a congregation of worshippers, a line of kings or a dynasty of kings, a mob of rioters, a colony of gulls, a cloud of insects, a galaxy of movie stars, a bevy of beauties or a bevy of girls, a sheaf of grain, a block of flats, a battery of guns. Well, that's all for today. Consider subscribing if you have found this content useful. Give it a like and I will meet you very soon in my next video. Bye.